Hello, my lovely friend. Are you ready to solve the new problems together? Let's get started. Here says X, Y, and RS are roads which intersect at C at an angle of 77. It says RS and XY meet at C, which create a 77 angle degree, which is 77 degree. There is an explosion at a factory at point D at RS. So explosion is here at D. Observer A and B notes that CAD, which is 28, and CBD, which is 38, respectively. A and R are 32 kilometers apart, and A and R, the distance between A and R are 32.8. Part A asks to find theta. Okay, to find theta, I'm gonna find this angle, which is theta. I try to use two rules that says any angle on the straight line, which is here, is 180. So 180 minus 38 gives me 142. So this angle would be 142. And to find theta, I try to use the rule that says the interior angle of any triangle add up to 180. So I use it and say theta plus 28 plus 142 equals 180. And we know 28 plus 142 equals 170. So if I bring it to the right side, it gives me 10. So theta is 10. We are done for part A. I will go for part B. Part B says find the distance dB. To find the distance dB, which is here, I try to use sine rule. Sine rules are used for any non-right angle triangle, which says the sine of angles here, for example, 28, the sine of 28 over the length of the side, which is opposite of this angle. The length of opposite angle 28 is dB. Always gives me the constant ratio or fixed ratio. So I use this rule to see I have theta as well and the length of the opposite side of theta. So I use it, and if you write sine in the top of your fraction, you have to always write sine in the top numerator on the numerator. So I say sine of 10 over 32.8. Now if I calculate with calculator this sine of 10, sine of 28, and use cross multiplication, I will find the length of dB. So dB equals almost approximately, let me change my sign, is approximately 77.8 kilometers. So the unit is kilometer. I find dB here. We are done for part B. I will go for part C. Part C asks how far is D from the intersection C. That means I have to find the length of this side, the segment CD. So here I try to find this angle as well. This angle, I said a straight line always have 180 degree is 180 degrees. So I say 180 minus 77 gives me 103. So I have 103 and the length which is opposite of 103, and I have this angle which is 38, and I am gonna find the length of this. So I set up my proportion which is say sine of 103 over the length which is opposite of 103, which is 77.8. I got it from part B. Equals sine of 38 sine of 38 over CD. So if I find the value of sine of 38, so I'll find the value of sine of 103 with calculator and then use cross multiplication, I will find the length CD, which is approximately 56 kilometers. Okay, we are done here. I hope you enjoy, and please subscribe, share with your friend, and see ya in the next problem. Stay tuned. Bye bye.